I am going to be showing you guys what I'm picking up for the new Gauge Girl Training 6-week shred plans. I'm actually going to FedEx Kinko's to pick up my downloads because I have had them printed and bound. Smoked paprika chicken fudge brownies for breakfast. What? $25.52. Weeks worth of food. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine here with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm going to prepare for the 6-week budget shred, so let's get started. All right, so first things first, you guys, this weather is playing with my emotions. The other day, it was like a high of 89, which was like, wow. It goes down to like in the 30s, and now it's just like all rainy and wet and miserable in the 50s. I don't know what I'm supposed to be wearing or doing with my life, but the weather sucks here on the East Coast. But that doesn't matter because we got goals, and I am going to be showing you guys what I'm picking up for the new Gauge Girl Training 6-week shred plans. I'm actually going to FedEx Kinko's to pick up my downloads because I have had them printed and bound. So let's go there first. So we just got to Staples. Let me go get this printed copy and let's get started. All right, my level of excitement for how cool his programs turned out is absolutely insane. So I have the 6-week shred budget edition regular, as well as keto edition. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek inside the program. I'm headed to the grocery store, but I had these printed and bound at Staples. I had them printed double-sided, which is really cool. You can see the table of contents where I have all of the recipes outlined, all of the things, all of the explanations. I go into details about what is the macros approach, what are macros, details on how to follow it, a sample meal planning calendar, as well as a food journal for you to say what menus you're going to plan. And this is the part you fill out for yourself, which is pretty cool. How to take your measurements, where your measurement chart, groceries, explaining the food list, explaining how to make adjustments to the plan. Frequently asked questions, and I do ask people to stop before proceeding because I go into a lot of detail, and believe it or not, as you guys know, people do not read. So please read these things if you do the program. So the thing that's really cool that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so check this out. Here's the menu. Here's like menu 5. And you can see that I have line by line items of like what is in the plan, and then like a note here for exactly what to do, how to cook it, how to prep it. The goals or the totals are at the bottom. I'm not going to show you guys that. But here's the new thing where I show you the detailed grocery list, where I show you how much you're going to need for 1, 2, or 4 days worth of food. So for instance, egg whites, if you're only going to meal prep for 1 day, you need 4 ounces. That's where like all of the totals on this side have been summed up. And if this is electronic version, so you can screenshot this and take us to the grocery store with you. Every single item that you need is marked and put here. And then it goes on and on and on. But I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek of the recipe section. I have my smoothie freezer bags in here. This is the original one. This isn't keto. I have like a nice substitution thing where I put smoothie freezer bags in the meal plan, but I kept the macros the same and gave you guys like 7 of them to swap out. I have lots of great recipes. Braised bran French toast casserole, ramen, salad, meatloaf, chili medallions. I have smoked paprika chicken fudge brownies for breakfast, honey sriracha chicken thighs, free foods, and this is new where I have notes on how to use the substitution guide. I go through detail And in the electronic version, this takes you to a video where I explain even more in detail. Detailed substitution guide for you all per macro. So let's go to the grocery store. Gotta love this East Coast weather. Now it's raining. Hustle up in here. I typically go to Trader Joe's, but I am on a budget for the purpose of this meal plan. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can meal plan on a budget as well. All right, so I'm gonna be prepping off of menu 3 on the original budget shred. And you can see things I need are listed here. So this is a pretty simple grocery trip. I'm gonna prep for probably 2 to 4 days. I need boneless chicken thigh with skin, oats, maple syrup. See, I already have oats, honey, maple syrup, white rice at the house. So I just need to get the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I already have protein, the chicken, the Brussels sprouts, carrots, asparagus, apple, rice cakes, and nut butter. And that's really all I need. So you can always buy frozen. However, I noticed that for a 2-pound bag of carrots, it's $2.99. These other ones are $1.99. But if you just get the full carrots themselves, they are cheaper. So we're just gonna buy the big ones and chop them up ourselves. So the asparagus is actually on sale here for $1.49 a pound, which is actually decent. So I'm gonna grab some asparagus that's fresh. Like I said, in the meal plan you can get frozen, but this is actually a really good price. Asparagus can sometimes be upwards of $4.99 a pound. So $1.49 is a very decent price. The meal plan calls for Brussels sprouts, but always look at this thing. Here it says the price, it's $2.99, but here it actually says it's $5.32 per pound for one of these little things. It's a little bit on the pricier end. So $5.32 per pound versus this, you know, $1.49 per pound for asparagus. So the thing is, you guys, always check the price per pound, and you can always just buy more of one veggie and duplicate that in your meals as opposed to going with the actual things that I wrote down, because always look at price per pound. Now obviously frozen is going to be a little bit cheaper. However, if you're trying to save money, always look at that price per pound, because they'll try to fool you with these like pre-packaged things, and it's convenient, and don't get me wrong, like I will use those types of things sometimes, but if budget is a top priority, you gotta look out for those types of things. Now I'm gonna be making chicken thighs this week, and here you can see that they're $1.19 a pound, where I can get about 4 pounds for only $4.77. Sometimes you can get them cheaper, as low as 69 cents a pound. So if you have to feed more people, you may want to check in at different days of the week and make sure that you get them when, you know, like they're on sale. This is still a decent price, so I'm gonna go with these. Now, like I said, I don't have a whole lot of things I need to pick up because I had a lot of staples already at the house. I already have rice, I already have oats, I already have protein. So this is a pretty simple meal prep, and I guarantee this grocery bill won't even be 20 bucks. So look at all of the nonsense that we will not be eating. Go grab some rice cakes. All right, here we go. Down here, now these organic ones are $3.59. I'm gonna get these 2 for $5, salt-free Quaker oats. But better yet, ShopRite brand, $1.99. Let's check out the macros. We're at 8 carb, 1 protein, no fat. Looks like a good deal. So I'm gonna pick up a bag of apples here, $3.99 for 3 pounds worth of apples. What? The grocery bill came out to $25.52. Week's worth of food on the shred on a budget for women. So I got all my groceries here. Now, I will be meal planning, cooking, weighing, portioning. So that concludes part 1 of this video. I will show you guys the prepped foods in part 2. Meal prep, some tips and things so you can see what all of the meals look like. I'm just doing menu 3. I like to keep things nice and simple, and I'm going to be following up with the meal prep as well as a bikini haul. So take care, guys. See you in the next one.